It's been very interesting for me to follow AJMC as an editorial board member for many years, and now for over 10 years as co-editor-in-chief, as one of the premier peer-reviewed outlets for information on clinical, managerial, and policy research and commentary in the area of healthcare transformation.
Happy anniversary, AJMC. It's been a wonderful 20 years. 20 more.
Happy 20th anniversary to the American Journal of Managed Care.
So happy anniversary, 20th for AJMC. I've been following the journal for about as long as I can remember. I probably could honestly say about 20 years.
The American Journal of Managed Care is a great addition to the literature and the sources of information about advanced care and advanced care models and how to make progress and innovate in our healthcare system. So happy 20th anniversary. Keep up the good work.
Well, I do wish the Journal a happy anniversary, and I do that both as someone who served many, many years on the editorial board, but more importantly as someone who really respects the work of the Journal and understands the importance of all that's been done in these articles over the many years and the research that goes into those articles.
This is a very complex area, managed care, and as we have seen over the last 20 years, it has changed tremendously. So congratulations to you for helping all of us in the field stay with it.
I want to wish the Journal a wonderful happy anniversary. 20 years, it hardly seems possible that it's been 20 years, but it's really been a pace setter in the healthcare ecosystem in terms of a go-to place for research, for policy analysis, and for need-to-know kind of information. So we very much appreciate the terrific work. I want to send our real sincere appreciation for all of that, and congratulations on this 20th anniversary. I say you go for 50 more.
Well, congratulations on 20 years of the American Journal of Managed Care. It really, the time has gone quickly. And I think the American Journal of Managed Care plays a very important role in sharing many of the new techniques of managed care that I think really haven't been part of the medical research.
I'd like to wish AJMC a very happy 20th anniversary and recognize that you've been very important in leading the effort to outcome-based healthcare and the research that's necessary to understand how to define those outcomes and how to best measure them.
20 years is an incredible time to be in existence and to just think about all the things that have happened in this country and in this world over the last 20 years, and you have been a constant throughout that time period.
I think the largest step forward is that when we started, people really just cared about ways to cut costs in healthcare, and now we've done our best to transform the conversation from what we're getting from our money as opposed to just how much we're spending.
It's a place where things that you don't see in the more traditional literature have a place to find a place, particularly things that are useful to managers in their daily work. So that's a very important function of the American Journal of Managed Care. So pleased to read it, pleased to contribute to it, and I wish it another successful 20 more years.
How we do things really has been a neglected field, and the Journal has played an incredibly important role in helping people to share learnings across organizations.
Your credibility, your ability to get us to think in different ways, your freeness, if you will, in sharing information and offering new ideas, new ways, taking on tough issues, crystallizing the challenges that we have and that we have dealt with over the last 20 years and probably over the next 100 years. Makes you an invaluable resource to this country, to the healthcare industry, and I would even say to the world. So congratulations.